A very common problem Revit beginners face is that when they create a new level, it is not visible in the floor plans of the project browser. Hello and welcome back to Archi Tools. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how we can provide a new level as well as we can get a floor plan of that level. So for providing a new level, there are basically three ways. One is that you can just go into the elevation, select one of the previous elevation and press on copy mode using the CO shortcut key. So once I copy this above, a new level would be made. One way is that. The other way would be select that previous level, press on CS and provide your level. The third way would be just press on LL. That is the shortcut for providing a new level. All right. So we'll discuss about all three options one by one. When you use the copy mode and move it above, you can see that this level is not provided in the floor plans. One issue is that, and the reason for that is it is just being copied. Floor plans are not provided over here, and you can also see that there is a difference between these two level symbols. One is in blue and the other one is in black. So this means that this one has a particular level floor plan and this one hasn't does not has any view, so that's why it is showing as black. So in case where you have used the copy mode, how you can get your particular floor plan view? So for that you just need to go into view, press on plan views and just click on floor plan if you want a floor plan. So if I have kept this do not duplicate existing views ticked, the level which is not currently has been generated as a view will show. So in this case only level 4 view has not been generated. Just press on OK after that and that particular floor plan view would be generated. Similar way you can do for the RCP and structure plans as well. This is the first method of providing your floor plans as well as your level. The other way is use the CS command. So when you use the CS and you want to provide a plan view also, just make sure that make plan view is ticked. If this is unticked, the floor plan won't be made. So currently I have ticked it and I'll make my level. So you can see that the symbol is in blue. That means that we have a floor plan view generated and you can find the same in the project browser. If I haven't ticked this and made my level, you can see that the floor plan view has not been generated for this. And the last option is just click on LL and provide your level. In this case, it is very similar to using the CS mode, create similar, where you have to take this make plan view in order to get your floor plans. So it is basically somewhat the same. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone learning Revit, and subscribe to Archi Tools for more practical Revit tips. See you in the next video.